Good morning, you all. It's Shakira. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I'm doing for this day. I am actually in the middle of a detox. And on this day in particular, I got to wake up a little later. So I'm starting with warm lemon water and carrot juice. Then I'm going to take the excess lemons and put it in this pot of herbs just to smell good around the house. One of my favorite things to do is show people how easy it is to prep your healthy food. I am just using some zucchini, squash, and a few extra things that I had throughout the week to make a really healthy and delicious detox approved meal. As you can see, I'm using quinoa here, which is a complete plant-based protein and detox approved. And now we're just going to put the veggies into the pan with water and a little bit of vegetable broth, some Mrs. Dash seasoning, and we're going to cook it just to it's slightly boiled and just a little bit soft. Now it's time to eat. We're just going to use some of the quinoa that we already cooked and some fresh parsley. We're going to spoon the veggies over top. And it was absolutely amazing. A simple meal you can prepare in less than 20 minutes, honestly. So I tried to get a variety of sizes from this company, Halara. And so this is a medium, which kind of looks big because so my torso like this is small, but my boobs are big, so it's always tricky when it comes to these type of items. Look how cute. I love this back. Super cute. Here's the front. Crisscrosses. So this one is a small. Let's compare. Let's put the medium. Or the smaller medium. So yeah, it's a little smaller. So we'll see. I see already these have cups. I'm going to take the cups out. I hate cups. And sports bras, it's so annoying. And let's see if you can easily take these out. I don't know. So I'm happy that the cups are removable and easily removable. This is one of the tops that they sent me, sports bras that I worked out in. And I really like this, the items that they sent me. And I'm going to do a more, like try on type of video for you all as well with more detail in terms of quality and things like that. And then next, of course, I worked out for the day, and this is sped up. Of course, I did cardio, did some yoga. This yogi squat or primal squat is so beneficial to everyone's health, and this was basically the end of my day. And I'm eating kind of late. Under the salad, we have just like mixed greens, and I have some leftover romaine mix, and then it's carrots and like some other stuff. And then I have a little quinoa right here. These are micro cilantro sprouts. Then I have some of that parsley from earlier, red onion, cucumber, olives, this salad topper. And then we're gonna do this organic zesty Italian dressing. I am starving to the point where I do not feel good, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you all so much for watching.